What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Dutchess yard, and I'm actually filming this intro after we are done. I did not have my camera with me this morning. I grabbed it around lunchtime, so I didn't get to record any of the process of what we had to do to this bumper to axle hitch to get it to fit on here. But obviously it's complete and it's on the truck, pretty much ready to go. There are a few things left to do in order to get a plow to be able to work on here, such as hydraulic lines, the pump, and obviously the plow as well. But one thing that we had to do in order to get this to work, if you guys saw my video when we picked this hitch up, then you kind of know what needed to be done. But we had to drill holes through this angle iron here to go down into these hitch pins to put these pins into. That way this can mount right up to it. But we also welded a piece of angle iron on the inside here, drilled the same hole. That way we could pin all the way down through. This kind of gives it some extra support, can lock it in. If we find out that this is not strong enough, we will weld some triangles in here to give it a bit more support, but we think this is going to be good enough. We did the same thing on this side and over here on this side, so you can see both sides pretty much identical. One other thing we had to do was cut these triangles out on the frame there. Right here we cut from this point down and then back here, because this piece here was hitting there and it wouldn't slide in. They give you a bunch of holes every 3 inches to adjust this, but the only way to get it to slide is to cut it. So we had to cut it on this side and that side, both top and bottom, in order for that piece to slide in. And then that little tube in the middle slides a little bit. You have about 4 inches of play there to reach your axle. We wrapped the axle with a mud flap to eliminate the metal on metal and give it a little bit of cushion there. But this truck is pretty much ready to go, except for the few things that I mentioned. I recorded us installing this. Obviously I didn't record any of the work we did to get to this point, but I do have all of that recorded, so I'm going to throw that on now. Really should have our... Hey, Dad, you want me to drop it and go get the other forklift? No? What? All right. More? I'm trying. What? more?
All right, let her down, let her down, let her down. Let her down easy, Brand, not a lot. Let her down, a little more. Little more, little more, little more, little more. All right, come into me. No. Come into me, come into me. Jacket right there. No. Jacket right there. No.
Watch your bumper.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. 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 Right there. Right there. You're done.
Oh, yeah, it feels tight.
How are you doing this, Normal? Like this?
I gotta do it. I got it.
You would think the guy that owns a snowmobile company wouldn't have ice in his driveway. Try this, Dad. Oh, is it into 1/16?
Sí, señor.
Here, Dad.
Pero no te dan.
Why, that thing's not
Go
gonna
ahead,
fit?
pull that down straight. Hold on, I can't get out.
¿Qué dice? Yo le dije. Un borrachito. Yeah, it's gonna
Brad,
fall down.
give me a ratchet, a 1/2-inch drive ratchet for Rodrigo, and another. You have another one of these? I know there's another one of them in the thing, a deep one.
Oiga, si me he ido acá primero.
I gotta pull you in more, Ricky, right?
Yeah, empujarle para allá, así.
Okay.
Yeah.
Así, ahí, y lo más empujado para arriba, así, para arriba.
Yeah. So, do we have another wrench? Yeah. You want to pull that in?
No. Así, como usted ven, con peli.
Es que estoy
You
abajo.
got that, Ricky? Can you hold that square like that? Yeah, hold that
Puede
square.
dejar la carrilla
Let me see if I can get more.
Tal vez Rodrigo sube un poco más y lo jalamos de allá.
Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm out of socket. We gotta bend all these over once we get this all in place.
Oh, okay.
So let me. You have another 1/16? Friend, you got another? Anthony,
Anthony, inch 1/16. Una más
wrench.
de
Give me
estas.
another wrench.
qué?
Inch and 1/16?
Una pulgada, un 16, mijo.
Una de estas.
Oye.
En racha, mijo.
No, 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 así, como sea.
Oh, play.
Se va a tapar, se tapa el, hasta los, hasta el...
Take this one too.
Hold on. Watch.
Sí, solo para el yo. ¿Y cuánto has visto que casi cuánto les cambió?
El tractor, ¿cuánto es el trabajo?
You got the pay?
La 27, ¿cuánto es el trabajo?
27, sí, la 27, chaval. No te equivocado, la 26 o la 27.
La roja.
Oh, 26. La 27 es la de muñequito.
Your lawnmower's getting a day off tomorrow. Put that right
No,
in
él
there.
lleva ya. Puta, vos llevas un gallo casi.
Es mi tercer invierno.
Ya ves. No, aquí dice que no sabe los números.
No, yo así de todas no. Las que otras, sí, por ejemplo, el 28, la 16, la 6, la 10.
¿Qué número es la vez de la que manejo yo? Otra pregunta para ti. Empuja, chucha. ¿Cómo te invitas si esa la que la mano, cabrón? La quiero, ¿cómo? La quiero la tuerca. La quiero la tuerca, ¿por qué? La quiero la tuerca.
La arandela.
Nada. Suelta. ¿Qué no está haciendo nada? ¿Qué está haciendo?
You guys fighting under there?
¿Qué?
You fighting?
Ya. Al little pájaro.
Hey, it's a baby.
Le doy un chupón. Le doy un chupón al bebé que es chupón.
baby.
El bebé pájaro.
Be nice to him.
Ya. Hoy no voy a decir. Todas las cosas ya, las cosas que tienen de la ven. Lo que no estemos. Creo que hasta la soldadora ya suben un tanque de gas, todo ya suben.
No, sí, fue por ahí. No le están diciendo que es baby.
Oye, pues si te metan a uno sube.
No.
Brandon actually looks like it can go up
Yeah.
one more.
Ya te voy, anda Tomás ya. Y gracias por tu ayuda, pero vamos a ayuda si vamos a algo, nos vamos más temprano, porque no sé qué más nos van a hacer.
Pero la troca se queda, Rodrigo.
¿Dónde?
La troca se queda. A ver.
Sí,
No, pues que creo que la llevó a la encansadora.
pero que no le encantaba hoy día. Espero que no. Espero que no.
You know, there's a lot of ice in this driveway.
Go ahead, yeah, look.
You go. What are you doing? You gotta take the pressure off.
Ya está,
It's
cachito.
bringing too much pressure already.
Ya está.
So we gotta go down?
Yeah, hold on.
Take the jack out.
Yeah, hold on.
Ya está. Ya.
Ready?
Si no, güey, si esta troca es nueva.
It's on.
You didn't do anything. You gotta go up.
No me lleves como sea.
Oh, wait. You need to go down.
Puta madre. Los del Ecuador son. Oye, tócame la foto para mandarlos.
Oh, this whole thing just fell.
¿Por qué no me toman una foto subiendo encima de la nieve?
We're gonna go for more hole.
Para mandarlos.
We're gonna go for more hole.
We don't have a plow.
How's that look now, bro? Look at that.
You happy?
No.
It's his truck. He's gotta be happy.
He got my Sky 26.
Yeah, he's got the tractor. He's got 4 trucks now.
Oh, me?
Where's the painting guy?
Nice and straight.
Where's the painting guy? Can you paint over there?
So Ricky, I think I want to do the pump right here or on the other side.
Do it right here. Drill a hole. Mount it right here. Drill 2 holes and mount a bracket. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this one. I am going to go hop in my truck. I have a new truck, and I haven't shown you guys yet, but I'm not going to spoil that. There is a reveal video coming, but I'll give you a hint. It is a Chevy, and it has auto start. So my truck is currently warming up for me. If I have time this weekend, I'm going to wash it because I picked it up the day it snowed and the truck got covered in salt. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. This plow frame is on, obviously. We have a bit to do to get it buttoned up. We also have a salt spreader going in the back. So big things happening for this Peterbilt. But that is going to wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.